Hello everyone, I'm Anuj Nakade and you're watching LiveLaw. In this video, we bring you an update from a proceeding under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act or the NDPS Act at the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The story begins with Miram Sahib police station getting information regarding a truck driver being involved in the transportation of poppy straws. Poppy straws are used for making opium-based drugs, which is illegal under the NDPS Act. The police then arrested a few people. At the time of the arrest, a truck driver was also arrested, and 19 kgs of poppy straws were recovered from the truck of this driver. The accused was charged under Section 8, Section 15 and Section 29 of the NDPS Act for attempted manufacturing and transportation of prohibited substances, prohibitions regarding the transport of poppy straw, and criminal conspiracy. After this, a trial was started against all accused in the Sessions Court. However, while the trial was ongoing, the current accused died. After the evidence was analyzed by the Sessions Court, the court expressed displeasure about the standard of investigation carried out in the case because a lot of mandatory provisions of the NDPS Act were violated by the investigation agency. Since the court was of the opinion that compulsory procedures under the Act were not followed by the investigating officer, the accused was acquitted. However, Jammu and Kashmir believed that there was enough evidence to make a conviction. So, they filed an appeal against the decision of the Sessions Court in the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. The High Court noted that there were big problems in the story of the prosecution. For example, important independent witnesses denied having witnessed the recovery and seizure of the illegal goods and told the court that their signatures were taken on blank papers by the police. Most importantly, the court also noted that the Sessions Court was right about the mandatory provisions of the NDPS Act not being followed by the investigation agency. For example, the investigating officer is required to inform his immediate superior within 72 hours of receiving any information that could lead to the arrest under the NDPS Act. This information is to be communicated in writing. However, in this case, the investigating officer told the court that the information was communicated over the phone. Another very important problem in the investigation was that the investigators failed to establish that the illegal goods taken at the time of the arrest were in safe custody and were sent to the forensic science laboratory without any delay. Similarly, the prosecution was not able to produce the Malkhana in charge to show that illegal goods were in safe custody. The Malkhana in charge is the inventory keeper of the evidence taken by the police. The investigating officer also told the trial court that the contraband was resealed by the executive magistrate first class, which is a standard procedure in these cases. But there was no record of requesting the resealing of evidence by the magistrate. So, the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court also upheld the acquittal of the accused in this case. They also expressed displeasure with the standard of investigation by the police in this case. It is important that we note that any offence under the NDPS Act is a very serious offence. Under Section 37 of the NDPS Act, there is even a barrier for granting bail to the accused in some cases of NDPS provisions. To make sure that no innocent persons are implicated or unnecessarily harassed by the government, a lot of procedure is put in place. Any fault by the police or the government in the following procedure will always benefit the person accused of a crime under the NDPS Act. If you'd like to know more about the NDPS Act, a colleague of mine did a detailed video about the crimes under the NDPS Act. The link to that video is right here. That's all we have for you in this video. If you would like to read the full report and the judgment, please visit our website at www.livelaw.in. We will also leave a link down in the description to the full report and the judgment. Hope you found the video informative. If you did, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.